So good morning, Hapinoy travelers. Our driver for today is Ron.
Yeah.
And he'll be taking us to Angkor Wat, Angkor Thom, and all the Angkor that we can think all about. So this is our place. So how many hours going there? To Sron?
From here
To Angkor Wat, yeah?
From here to Angkor Wat about 20 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Not that far, huh?
Not that far.
It's
First we go to buy the ticket first.
yeah, let's buy ticket first.
Okay, so we need the ticket to enter Angkor Wat, right? How much is the ticket?
About 1 day.
Yeah.
37.
How much? 37.
But the government do have a buy one, take one promo until December 31, 2022. So if you buy 1 day pass,
Yeah.
you can have another day for
Free.
free.
Alright.
Right. So we can still use the ticket until tomorrow, just in case. But
Alright.
we don't have time tomorrow.
So this is where we're going to buy the ticket going to Angkor Wat. So here we're going to buy the Angkor Wat. Only one will take video.
Okay, thank you.
Me also. When you buy a ticket, they're going to take you a video here. And one ticket is $37. And that is your ticket. Okay. Thank you. So So when you buy the ticket, that's $37. The ticket will come with your picture. This is your ticket going to Angkor Wat. Okay? Guys, so this is a one-day pass and this is the map going to the Ankor area. And there's a map. And so you all buy the ticket here. This is the Ankor Tourist Enterprise Center. So that's the place where we're going. Tangobati Tae.
That's for the sunrise.
Oh, sunrise. Very nice, oh. Are we here?
Yeah, show the ticket.
Temple ticket. So after buying your tickets, you're going to show your tickets to ticket control. Hello. Ticket control.
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So they're gonna punch a hole in your ticket. Look at this truck. So you can see that the Cambodian area is full of trees.
We will put your number here in our vlog, huh? Is it okay?
Side,
Okay,
the front of Angkor Wat, they parking too far.
okay,
So now I drop you here,
okay,
and then you go inside,
okay.
and after you come back here.
Same
So,
place.
but yes, same place.